Your back is clean.
That's, wow.
All right, I'm gonna give it to you.
I would buy this over a back scratcher any day. Like, I'm gonna shave my back every single day with something like this, you know? Like, it's the coolest product.
You got it, hairy back? Take care of it. baKblade.
You know, I thought I would need like a shave cream or a gel, but this is a nice easy glide.
If you came home and you saw your husband doing this, would that be okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
I feel amazing. Like, I just want to go in the ocean and just feel like the water all over my body now. Like, you know, like.
I don't have to ask a friend or anything. I don't have to really use a mirror.
So much better. Wow.
Your back is clean. It's very clean. What are you feeling?
I can feel the wind.
You can feel the wind.
Yeah.